Twist it when it come out. Do it faster. Push off the back feet. Push off. Get on tiptoe of the back foot. And push off your back foot. Get on your tiptoe up. Push off the tiptoe up. Twist it when it come out.
Worked out my legs today.
Huh?
I worked out my legs today.
I think 30 seconds. Come back the other way, jabbing too.
That way?
That's risky.